we manufacture and export more than 1 ton in a year.
1000 kg.
1000 kg.
Okay.
Main target right now, China and Indian market. Both markets are booming. We are exhibiting more than 15 international exhibitions. As far as our customers' happiness is
Is
the
top
most
priority.
important.
Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and team, and as you know, we are here at Bangkok Gems and Jewellery Show 2024. Right now we are at the stall called Sade's Mounting Jewellery, and with me the honor Mr. Murat. Sir, how are you?
Good, good. Nice to meet you also again.
Same here,
Our
sir.
pleasure.
Same here. Feeling pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
First of all, Mr. Murat, tell me about your company establishment and in which kind of the product you are dealing in.
We established in 1980s
Okay.
in Istanbul, Turkey. We are manufacturing all kind of mountings.
Yeah.
Could be 9K, 14K, 18K, but the majority of our products are all in 18K. But according to
Okay.
country's demand, we can manufacture 14 and 9 as well.
Okay.
We are one of the biggest manufacturer, exporter,
Okay.
and then also sometimes we do import
Okay.
different items.
Okay.
We are one of the most well-known mounting company in Istanbul and all international market as well.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
I just want to know about your presence in the different market. Like in how many markets you are exporting right now?
We are exhibiting more than 15 international exhibitions.
15. Okay.
Yeah, we are having Hong Kong, Bangkok, and then Europe in Vicenza, Italy, and then in Orgenta, Germany. And also recently I was in IIJS
Oh,
in
wow.
Indian market, yeah,
That's
Bombay.
great. Okay.
Huge market.
Yeah, absolutely.
We are in love to do business over there. So
Absolutely, it is a
Yeah.
huge market.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I think almost which are the biggest show ever in the world, you have been participated till the date, and in future also you are going to participate in all those different shows.
Yes. First of all, our main market is, of course, domestic market, Turkish market.
Turkish. Okay.
Yeah, we have
perfect.
also huge sales as a domestic, but 70% of our products we are exporting. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
our main market is Middle East.
Middle East. Okay.
And then our office, we have an office in Belgium, by the way, in
Okay.
Antwerp. We do a lot export through Europe,
Okay.
and then also Southeast Asia,
Perfect.
Myanmar, Vietnam,
Yeah.
Cambodia, and then our main target right now, China and Indian market.
Wow, because these are the biggest market in future.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
And both markets are booming.
Booming. So
Booming,
much. Yeah,
yeah.
absolutely. So this is the
Strong
perfect target.
economic, yeah.
Perfect target because the people become enriching in this market, and definitely it will be the biggest through perfectly in this market with the
Right.
new clients and new consumers.
Right, right.
Mr. Murat, also I want to know about particular craftsmanship which is available with your company. That what kind of the different designs you have, and what is the total number of we can say kind of available pieces. If I'm counting, it is 1500, 2000, 5000.
We manufacture and export more than 1 ton in a year.
1000 kg.
1000 kg.
Okay, okay.
So we are having all kind of mountings such as ring, earring, bracelet, men's collection, also tie pin, and then the majority is for ladies, of course. But we are manufacturing all kind of mountings.
Yes, perfect. perfect.
Yeah.
All kind of the jewelry you've been covered already.
Exactly.
Okay, one more question I'm just reminding inside that if someone want their own design to be manufactured with you, like they're giving the design
Yeah,
to you and
yeah.
you make a mounting for them.
Yes, we do.
It is possible?
It's
Okay,
possible.
It's possible.
It's possible.
Okay,
We
perfect.
call it like a custom made.
Yeah, custom made. Yeah,
And
absolutely.
the people who's giving us as a custom made, we specially manufacture for them.
For
we
them.
don't give anyone else.
Yeah.
You
So
know, we
design
respect.
monopoly.
Yes.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
respect the design monopoly.
Exactly.
Yeah, perfect.
Exactly.
It is the customer preferences.
Exactly. And we have all kind of products such as these items are handmade.
Yeah. Okay.
And
These
then
are all handmade.
These are handmade. You can see it's like a special items, special designs.
Yeah, I can see that the design is very clear
Yeah.
and very precise.
And of course, some of the items we do like machinery, like commercial items, like this kind of
Okay.
items.
It's been made by machines only.
Yeah,
Okay.
but we do casting later on.
Okay.
But these
perfect.
items, everything is done by hand.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow, that's
it's like
great.
perfect finishing.
So I can say that in the Turkey, even Turkish craftsmanship is also too good.
Yes,
As
we are one
I'm
of the
seeing
best.
over here in
Yeah,
Kaizen.
we are
Yeah,
one of the
perfect.
best. Right.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So last but not least question, Mr. Murat, what kind of the consumer you are asking for? Like who can connect you?
Any customer,
Okay.
any customer. We don't have any minimum order quantity.
Okay.
As much as you want, you can order, you
Okay.
can buy. As far as our customers' happiness is
Is
the
top
most
priority.
important. Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So if someone want to give them a single piece order, then also definitely they are ready to manufacturing for you. And definitely we have put all the details inside the video. You can connect Mr. Murat and his company for any kind of the specific designs you want to make. And definitely it will be the great deal for you because whatever we have seen inside, it is two good pieces and all kind of the jewellery being manufactured by their company. So definitely you can be in touch with Mr. Murat
Yeah.
and in that case you can go with the further business. Thank you so much Murat
Thank
for your
you.
time
My
and it's
pleasure
been
always.
pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you.
I'm wishing a great success ahead.
Thank
to
you.
your career
Thank
and
you.
company. Thank you so much. yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. We might seeing you in IIJS.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
always visiting over there
Yeah.
continuously.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you once
Thank
again.
you.
God bless.
Thank you. God bless.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com।